Hey friends, it's Neil with Tint Masters here at WindowEffects in Andrew. We're going to show you what the difference is in the quality of films, and then if you're trying to get something out like a little speck of like dust or dirt or something, how long can you heat the film without worrying about it burning? So depending on what film's on there depends on how long you can heat it. So what we're going to do is, I've already just prepped a window, and this is just going to be a test right here. So we're going to take this first film, and this is going to be a carbon 20, and we're going to put it in the back. All right, then we got a ceramic film. This is like I wouldn't say like an entry-level ceramic, but mid-grade now that you got 3 levels of ceramic. So that's an IR film from Johnson Window Films. And then this is triple thick right here. This is a Supreme ceramic film. So what we're going to do is we're going to test how long you can put some heat on there without it bubbling up. Okay, so we're gonna start the timer right here. Let's just say you had like a little mark and you had to go ahead and like heat that to get the marker, to get the finger to lay down. We're gonna see how long till this bubbles up right here, till it gets so hot that it shoots and bubbles. This glass just came in from outside, so it's only about 60 degrees outside. That's a good film from Johnson Window Films right there. I'm going to tell you that much. It hasn't even started bubbling yet. I bet you that thing is so hot. I can see one starting right there. So 1 minute. That's really, really good. You may be getting a finger out. Nobody's going to be holding it on there for a straight minute, but you may be getting a finger out. It gets hot. You work it. Then you put it back on there for another 20 seconds. It's hot. After a minute, that's what's going to happen. And see how long this one takes. We're at 24 seconds. So you can see the dip up there, it's starting to bubble at a minute 10. Let's test the Supreme ceramic tint. The weird thing is, I was putting the heat in the middle and it bubbled over there. The thing really dispersed. This is no gimmick. We're not turning the heat gun off or editing this at all, because this does nothing for me. I'm not here to promote Johnson Window Film. I'm just telling you different. I'm afraid that glass might break. I got to stop doing that because I'm afraid, honestly, that glass could get so hot it could break. So I'm going to spray this with water, let this cool down. And you can see the glass freaking smoking right here. And I'm not in any means trying to break glass on a vehicle. So again, that's what people are paying for in the quality of films also, on how much heat that thing can take. You know, if you hold that thing on there back and forth, you stop, you take little breaks, by a minute, even in your head, you're so focused on getting that finger down, getting it laid down, you don't realize that before you know it, you burnt the tint and it's been too late. So moral of the story is, know what film you're heating up. And number 2, buy good products. You know, Johnson Window Films, we support fully, been using their products for 15 years. Be honest with you, everybody's gonna have warranty claims. I might have had 6 of them in 15 years, which is really good. And it's hot as shit down here in North Carolina.